wow, you've seen these ads all of the time. You know, try this product, it's on TV, and your testosterone levels will get better, and you'll be like an 18-year-old again, right? I'm sure you've all heard them. You wanna know what? It's a bunch of garbage. Here's what they do. I've seen one like from various products. One I can recall is called Nugenix, and it has a number of different compounds in there. Now, yes, some like Longifolia, they absolutely may increase your testosterone production just a little bit, but most of these products are designed to do just one very simple thing, that is separate the testosterone you actually have in your body from this little protein that floats around in your blood called sex hormone binding globulin. So what happens is it takes that testosterone, it dissociates that molecule and makes what we call free testosterone. So it may rise your free testosterone a little bit, and if you're going from like 1 to 2, that's a doubling, you might feel really good, whereas the optimum feeling from free testosterone is maybe from 10 to 15. So yes, it maybe works a little bit, but it doesn't really get that full optimization. So I'm gonna tell you what I really think. These products, they can be okay for some marginal benefit, but really trying to really boost the testosterone levels to where they make an impact in your life in terms of your real ability to see results in the gym, your real ability to have improved sexual performance, your real ability to lose weight and reduce your cholesterol and sugar. In order to do that, you have to specifically focus on increasing the testosterone levels to a substantial and appreciable degree, where it causes what I call the metabolic pressure in order to affect the result that you're looking for. So yes, these supplements may make you feel a little bit better on the margin, but the reality is, in order to get the true kick and the true boost from testosterone, you gotta look at your levels, you gotta see if you can boost them, and really the number that makes the biggest difference is boosting that free testosterone level, which often is very low in the people that are seeking out things. So, I'm Dr. John Carrizella from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. We know all about testosterone, we know how to increase it with testosterone supplements, whether it's creams, injections, pellets, or whatever modality that you need. We know how to do testosterone enhancers, such as using clomiphene or HCG, that attempt to try to get your body to produce its own testosterone naturally. And yes, we understand how some of these products work. One of my favorite testosterone enhancer is called diindolylmethane, or DIM, which is clearly designed to dissociate the testosterone from the sex hormone binding globulin. So yes, they work, but only in a marginal way. They can be effective on the margin. To really get that impact, you need to do something to really raise your levels of testosterone if your symptoms are significant and warrant significant medical intervention.